Okay, this is for lesson 11-3. 11-3 is dealing with box and whisker plots. Okay, kind of a funny little name, but it's actually quite easy. You're just going to take some data and you're actually going to find two medians. And that's it. You're going to find a median for the smaller numbers and the median for the upper numbers. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. So here's an example. So I'm going to give you some data, which is just a set of numbers, all written with no purpose in mind. They're all random. Okay. Oh, let me try that last digit again. Kind of looks a little funny. Okay, got a couple more numbers here to add to our pile. Now what we're going to do is the first thing is to put these numbers actually in order. So I wrote them purposefully out of order to show you that you need to put them in order. So go lowest to greatest, or least to greatest, whichever you want to say. Smallest number up there is a 12, so let's go ahead and write 12. Next one would be 15. I'm crossing them out so I make sure I get them all. Next one is 19. All right, then we have 21. And again, if you have a repeat number, you write both. Okay. Next would come 74, followed by 75, followed by 83 is our last one there. All right, so now I have them in order from least to greatest. With this one set, I need to divide it into lower area versus upper area. Lower quadrant versus upper quadrant, or some people call them quartiles. Okay? So instead of crossing them out like I did when I was actually finding the median, I don't want to cross out the numbers. I'm going to underline them. So 12 for 83, 15 for 75, 19 for 74. Okay, so 21 is my split, which means I draw a circle around my lower quadrant, or my lower set, and I'm going to draw a circle around my upper set. Okay, so this now just became my lower set, and 21 is splitting these two sets in half. You don't need to worry about that 21 anymore. And now I'm asking myself, what is the median of the lower set, or the lower quartile? You might see this word in your textbook. Some people say quartile. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. And then we have our upper quartile, or quartile. Okay, so what's the median of these two? So, well, 15, 19, or 12, which one's in the middle? It's the 15. Oh, 15. My circle didn't go big enough. So in the lower, the answer is going to be 15. In the upper, my answer is going to be 75. And that's it. That's your answer. Okay? Now what if we had one a little bit trickier, where we had more numbers? Okay? I'm going to go ahead and put this set of numbers in order so I don't have to do this twice. And then we're going to go ahead and split them up. So let's go ahead and do 61, 63, 75, 77, 79, 79, 88, 99. All right, so I went ahead and put these in order from least to greatest. And now I'm going to go ahead and divide them for, in my two different groups, lower and upper. So just underline them so you know that you're checking them off, one for one. Oh, I'm left with 2 in the middle. All right, well, you know what? That actually works out perfect because it just ends right there, which means it splits perfectly. You don't have to worry about doing that divide 2, because this middle number we're not really concerned about. We're more concerned about making our two groups. Okay, so this is our lower group, and this is our upper group. Okay, so what's the median of our lower group? Well, it would actually be between 63 and 75. So between 63 and 75. Well, if you remember when we had two middle numbers, what do? We're going to do 63 plus 75, and that's going to equal, well, let me go ahead and write the rest of it. Divide by 2, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to do 63 plus 75. When you get that answer, you divide by 2, and you will wind up with 69. Okay, I'm just kind of jumping some steps here to move a little faster. So my lower median is 69. Now what's my upper median? Same thing here. You're going to take, we have two of them. We're going to do 79 plus 88 divided by 2. You're dividing by how many numbers are there? When you divide that out, you're going to get 83.5, or if you wrote 83 1/2, that would be fine also. So that's your median for the upper group. Okay? All right. Other than that, you're just splitting them into two different groups, an upper and a lower, and you find the median of those two. And that's how you do Box-And-Whisker plots. All right. Hopefully that helped you for your homework.